Looking to build a high-performance gaming PC with the latest connectivity options? The MSI Tomahawk motherboard might just be what you need. The MSI Mag X870 Tomahawk presents a sleek all-black design with subtle yellow-green accents, exuding a minimalist aesthetic that fits seamlessly into various build themes. Its ATX form factor ensures compatibility with a wide range of cases, providing flexibility for different setups. But does it offer the premium feel that enthusiasts expect from high-end motherboards? One of its standout features is the extensive connectivity options, boasting a total of 21 USB ports, including 2 USB 40GB per second Type-C ports. It caters to users with multiple peripherals and high-speed data transfer needs. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 and 5G LAN ensures cutting-edge networking capabilities, offering faster wireless speeds and robust wired connections for seamless online gaming and streaming experiences. The motherboard supports DDR5 memory, accommodating up to 256GB with speeds surpassing 8,400 MTS. This advancement in memory technology translates to improved performance and responsiveness, particularly beneficial for resource-intensive applications and multitasking scenarios. For storage, Tomahawk provides 4 M.2 slots, 2 of which are PCIe 5.0x4, delivering exceptional data transfer rates for NVMe SSDs. This setup allows for rapid boot times and swift access to large files, enhancing overall system efficiency. Priced at approximately $300, it positions itself in the upper mid-range segment. Considering its array of features and future-proof elements, it offers substantial value for money. If you're interested in the latest deals, check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: limited PCIe 5.0 slots, shared bandwidth among certain M.2 slots, lack of integrated RGB lighting. Pros: extensive USB connectivity, advanced networking features, high-speed DDR5 memory support, robust power delivery system, user-friendly design with easy DIY features. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest offers. Also, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions.